demoing the window cloth. So kind of what goes along with the window cloth is our Enviro cloth, or E for Everything cloth, because you can't have Sesame Street with Bert and no Ernie. So we've got Bert and Ernie to clean our windows. First we get Bert wet, the Enviro cloth wet, and we use the window cloth dry. You can see I've got some dirtiness on my window out here, and I'm going to add, well, I had butter on my hand, but it melted. So I'm going to add the butter that's now melted on my hand to the window for some extra greasy effect. Alright, so first we use our Bert cloth. I like to fold it in fourths so I have multiple sides to work with. And use it with a flat hand to take off all of the dirt and grime from the whole window. And I've already used this cloth to clean all the windows in the house except for this one. Then we use our dry window cloth and we dry the window, polishing it to a streak-free shine. Without having to go over it again and again.